Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve x root x equal 8 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So this we can write it as x times root x equal 8, and as per exponent rule, root a we can write it as a power 1 by 2. So it becomes x power 1 times x power 1 by 2 equal 8. Now as per exponent rule, x power m times x power n is x power m plus n. So this becomes x power 1 plus 1 by 2 equal 8. So x power this here 2 plus 1 equal 8. So x power 3 by 2 equal 8, or we can write it as x power 1 by 2 times 3 equal 8. So this becomes x power 1 by 2 whole power 3 equal 8. We can write it as 2 power 3. Now this x power 1 by 2 we can write it as root x whole cube equal 2 power 3. Now on comparing both sides, we can say that root x is equals to 2. Now to find the value of x, I am doing squaring both sides. So with the help of this square root removes. So what is the value of x? 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next